First we gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be making a headband crochet wig. Without further ado, let's get to it. I'll be using 1 pack of the Afro Kinky bulk hair.
And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what
I'll begin crocheting from the middle of the cap towards the ends of the cap, and I'll be doing 4 rows.
put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did, so you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason, so last season you can have my second, fourth thing. Don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real, never gonna find someone this real, so stay in check. I got a big ego, such a huge ego. I love my big ego, and I can match your pettiness too. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill.
Now that I've finished with this section, I'll put it in a ponytail, and this will serve as the base. Then I'll move on to the second row, and as you can see, I'm spacing the rows very wide apart because I don't want the hair to be extra bulky.
You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did, so you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly.
Everybody's watching, they say that we won't win, yeah. But girl, I know I loved you from the first time I saw you, so I'm ready for this, yeah. Put it in the papers, our love is going big, yeah. Guess we're underrated, the haters keep on hating, but we're ready for this. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name, so the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game, yeah. I can see the people, I see them crowding in, yeah, for many different reasons. We're winning every season, we're ready for this. Hey, put it on the TV, I'm betting we won't lose, no. My heart is straight forever.
I'll just slip this hair in a quick pony to get it out of the way so I can get on to the third row.
No, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to
Now I am at the final row, and I'll be using the needle and thread to sew the hair to the ends of the cap. And guys, if you're doing this, you want to sew the hair as close to the ends of the cap as you can. I am inserting the needle through the middle of the hair, then I'll sew it to the ends of the cap.
It's funny how it goes. Hey, home runs are waiting. Let's hit 'em one by one. Look how far we made it. Ooh, the haters just can't take it, and still we ain't done. No, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. Let them say what they want. The stakes are high. This is our World Series day. I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive, 'cause we're about to win. My heart's been training for all these years. I've come too far to lose. We hit the ball and the crowd goes wild for me and wild for you. Win, baby, we'll win. I love to win. Playing this game to win. And we're gonna win. Oh, let me tell you something. I wake up every morning and I'm only thinking of you. I can hear a lot of people saying we ain't meant to be together. Funny how they following the things that we be doing, all the places we be going, and the things that we keep posting. Yes, I'm ready for the challenge that the haters think they're throwing. So get ready for the win, 'cause baby, we can keep this going. Baby, we can keep this rolling. Baby, can't you see I'm showing you the better and the finer things? Someone never dare to dream. It's making people crazy, so they rooting for the other team. I know I'm gonna win this game. My wedding's gonna be insane. I told you I'ma marry you, and we gon' have a lot of kids. And they gon' go to college from the house we bought and raised them in. And then we gon' retire. And Cali will be visiting. And everything about you was the reason that I'm whistling. And no one's gonna stop me from the love I give, so come again. I know we always get together. Take it as a compliment. I know if we don't make it, we're gonna live another summer again. Woo! Girl, this is ours. You're my baby. Oh, girl, this is ours. You're my baby. Oh, I was serious, babe.
First, we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my way.
You want to go ahead and put the hair in a ponytail as neatly as you can.
Your mama always call me and that's alright, 'cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face. Gotta put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed, your girl living off what I bet.
You all know the hairstyle isn't finished without making some baby, grandma, teenager, or whatever you want to call those hair guys. So I'm just going ahead and pull the hair down to cover the front of the cap.
Stop playing with me before this turns out ugly.
Here I have the final look. What do you all think of this hairstyle? Leave a comment down below. Guys, I do appreciate you for watching. So leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, walk good.
Let's keep this real. Never gonna find someone this real. So stay in check. I got a big ego, such a huge ego. I love my big ego, and I can match your pettiness too.